Which of these is not a good use of a virtual machine? Well, first is practice administering different operating system. Actually, virtual machines are a great way to practice administering different operating systems. Because imagine this, you want to study for the CompTIA A+, and you have a Windows computer, but you want to practice some Linux stuff. Okay, fine. Make a virtual operating system, make a virtual machine, and play around with your Linux operating system while still being in the same Windows environment outside of that. You don't need to purchase new hardware, and if something goes wrong, you won't break anything. You will just need to make a new virtual machine. So it's awesome to practice administering different operating systems in that. Next is experiment with multiple drives without purchasing hardware. Again, you don't have to purchase new hardware. You can just make virtual hard drives, virtual, tons of virtual hard drives, and play around with those. After this, we have configure virtual networking. And again, this is awesome. You have a virtual machine. Why not do some virtual things on it? The last is to install 3D games. Now, installing 3D games is not the best use of a virtual machine, and this is because you are running a virtual machine. You're splitting your computer's resources. You might not have enough resources to properly run these 3D games. If you want to run a 3D game, you might as well just run it on your host OS.